Hi, I am Jessica, and I will be speaking on the challenges and solutions on lithium ion battery based on the secondary research conducted. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are revolutionizing transportation, promising a cleaner, more sustainable future. But as their popularity booms, there are huge problems with battery storage in the way. Range anxiety is one of the largest concerns. Most drivers who use EVs worry about driving how far and then needing to recharge their batteries. Gasoline technology has surpassed battery technology in this area, and it takes longer to recharge while the range is less during driving. Climate control systems, hard acceleration, high speeds, and cold temperatures can all abbreviate battery life even sooner. Yet another obstacle: charging stations. While charging points are increasing, they are far short of the density of gas pumps, particularly in rural areas. Home charging is an option for many, but for apartment dwellers or people who do not have private garages, easy access to trusted charging is a nightmare. The price of EVs is still another hurdle. Even with government incentives, EVs are still more costly to purchase than conventional gasoline vehicles. And on top of that, adding a home charging station is another cost. But leasing deals and battery as a service models are coming to make EVs more affordable. And what happens to EV batteries after they have aged? Their resale value and recyclability are major concerns. While battery refurbishment and second life applications are growing, proper recycling methods must be established to reduce reliance on rare earth metals and minimize environmental impact. Despite these barriers, innovation presses on. Advances in solid state batteries, expanding charging infrastructure, and cost reduction will drive EV adoption. Overcoming these challenges is crucial to making EVs the actual future of transportation. Electric vehicles have transformed transportation, but lithium-ion batteries that power them are not without limitations. Fortunately, emerging battery technologies are riding to the rescue. One of these promising options is lithium-sulfur batteries. They possess a theoretical energy density of as much as 2,600 watt-hours per kilogram, approximately 10 times more than that of lithium-ion batteries. They are also more ecologically friendly, since sulfur is an inexpensive and plentiful substance. Zinc-ion batteries provide another viable option. They are safer, with less chance of fire or explosion. Zinc is also more abundant and cheaper than lithium, so these batteries provide a cost-effective and sustainable option. Solid-state batteries are being considered for their improved energy density, quicker charging capability, and improved safety. Solid-state batteries replace liquid electrolytes with solid materials, which reduce the risk of thermal runaway and are more stable. With faster charging, perhaps in 15 minutes or less, solid-state technology can change EV efficiency. Sodium-ion batteries are another potential alternative. Sodium is more abundant and less expensive than lithium, reducing the cost of production. The batteries are also safer with less chance of fire and less environmental footprint. While energy density remains a concern, researchers are working to enhance performance and cycle life. Apart from newer kinds of batteries, recycling of batteries is central to sustainability. Recycling reduces the reliance on finite materials and environmental impact. As new battery technologies emerge, improving recycling methods will lead the way to a greener future for EVs. With the advances in lithium-sulfur, zinc-ion, solid-state, and sodium-ion batteries, the prospects for EVs are brighter than ever before. As investment and research continue, these innovations will drive cleaner, safer, and more efficient electric transportation.